everybody. Happy Tuesday. And what I want to talk about today is something that I've had to help several people on over the last few years that is super frustrating with an iPhone. And so if you're an Android user, I'm not sure how you fix this. This one's specifically about iPhones. And what it was, I was waiting for someone to get on a Zoom call, and they couldn't get in because they were trying to get it on their phone, and they couldn't find the link because their phone was zoomed in. So if you pick up your iPhone, and all of a sudden all the icons are really big and you don't know what to do on it, this is what we're going to talk about. And if you want to turn this off, and I have it turned off on mine most of the time, it's to turn off Zoom. It's an accessibility feature. You go to settings on your iPhone, go down to accessibility, go to Zoom, and just move the little slider over. Because what happens is, if you guys can see my iPhone right now, it looks normal. But if I'm like not paying attention, all of a sudden, and I do something, all of a sudden it can turn into this where all the icons are really big. And that's a pain, because then you can't move around. You can't find the things you're looking for. And it's really frustrating because you don't know how you got there and then you don't know how you get out. And so to get out of it, if you have Zoom, you just tap it with 3 fingers. Just twice with 3 fingers, and you're back to normal. That's how you do it. And if you need this accessibility feature, you turn on Zoom and you look at that, you tap it real quick 2 times, and you're back to Zoom, and you're back to being annoyed. But if you really need this feature, it's awesome, because then if you got bad eyes and stuff, you can see what you're trying to do. So, but if you don't like this, and I don't like it, because when you accidentally do it, it's super frustrating, because it's usually when you're trying to get into a meeting that you notice it, or you're trying to make a note. You go to settings on your iPhone, scroll down to accessibility, click on accessibility, click on Zoom, move the little slider over, and you're done. I hope this helps you, and have a fantastic rest of your Tuesday.